This question asks us to write a Python program to sum of three given integers. However, if the sum is between 30 to 40, it will return 0. I'm going to define a function and I'll use if statements. So let's do it. Define a function, I'm going to call it sum, and then I'm going to pass in three parameters representing those three given integers, a, b, and c. And then I say, what's the condition? So the condition is if the sum is between 30 to 40, we'll return 0. So if a plus b plus c basically greater than or equal 30, and a plus b plus c less than or equal to 40, then return 0, right? Sum should be 0. So, and then I'm gonna put a parentheses. You will see why in a second. As you can see, all those underlined went away. Now we're gonna define the else statement. So else, you're gonna just say sum is, you just regularly add them up. A plus B plus C. And return sum for me. Now I'm gonna run it. So print what's the name of the function sum, and then you're gonna pass in three arguments representing those three parameters. I'm gonna say 5, 10, and then 20. And now let's run it. As you can see, it's 0 as based on the first condition that we defined. The sum is between 30 and 40, so it should return sum as 0. Now let's try another one. For instance, 10. So 5, 10, 10. Let's run it. Now it's 25 because it's not included in the first condition. So the else statement fired. Thanks for watching. That's all about this tutorial. Hope you enjoy it.